Hello everyone, today's a Saturday. It's me, Matthew and Sophie as the normal dream team, and we've got 3 jobs on today. It's a gutter clear day and faceless office and gutters. First job we're going to is faceless office and gutters only. Next 2 jobs, they're all gutter clears as well, and one of them we've got some outbuilding, so annex building, some houses. So will we do it? There's a lot to fit in today, so we get on. At the second property, I didn't film on the first one because I didn't think it was worth doing because it weren't that dirty. However, this one, a bit different. So we've got this here. We've got a double garage first, plus a big bungalow to do. And it should make quite a big difference. Faces, soffits and gutters, and gutter clear as well. Like I said, with double garage and the bungalow itself. So I've got the dream team, me, Matthew, Sophie, but my wife's jumped in to help out for this one. Here's Matthew now, and also my other son David. Here he is.
Hello.
They've come to help set up. They're going to do the gutter clear. Matthew and David, and then myself and Sophie are going to do the face offs and gutters, and my wife's going to be helping Sophie. So gutter vacs all set up. They're going to plug it up and get started. I'm going to get some before and after photos with my camera, and what I've done is I've set up my hose before they've come out with the gutter vac, so when they start working backwards I'll follow behind them and we don't get tangled up. See how it goes. What I tend to do on these faceless office and gutters is give everything a bit of a pre-soak, just with water, no chemical, and then to get in the gaps that I can't get into behind the gutter, I use this mock-off brush. Because of the lower gutters on a bungalow, there can be a lot of them, it can be a bit pricey, so we go the extra step by going up ladders, getting into nooks and crannies with this. It's brilliant for the brackets as well, getting all the cobwebs out that hang about in there, and it's nice for the customer. Right, that's this side done on the faceless office and gutters. I don't know if you can see because I don't know how good or bad the light is, but it's certainly a lot better than what it was. I've also done the windows as well as I've gone along, and all associated downpipes and whatever these are called. You can see there's a bit of a tight area to work in. I've been having this in my ear hole. My arms are wet, but I'm sure everyone will be happy when they see what we've done. Right, now start around the back. Gutters are all done, gutters in clear. So all faces, soffits and gutters done, and the windows, and gutter clear. All come up good compared to what it was. It's quite grubby. I don't know how it will come out on there because the light's not brilliant today. All the nooks and crannies done with the old muck off brush. Big family effort. So if you can all see and agree, it's a good job. We've also fascia stops and gutters, and all the garage done and gutter clear as well, and not forgetting garage doors. So that's me and Matthew in the van. Sophie and David are with my wife Teresa in the car, and they're all going home, something to eat. Quickly refill up the van, turn around and get the next job of the day done. It's another gutter clear, fascia stops and gutters with annex, summer houses, you name it, it's all there. So another big job, it won't be as grubby as this one. Anyway, best crack on. Hi, all right, didn't get the last one done. It was a bit pushed for time, so I couldn't get any filming done. You can see it's all dark behind me, so we finished the last job at 4:30 with the whole van packed away and just chatting to the customer. It was quite a lot of things to do, really. It was a big house. There was an annex. The house in the annex had its own conservatory as well. Then we had a garage which had got 3 doors on it, so there's all the gutters on there sorted out as well, and plus a workshop at the back. So there's a lot of different buildings to do, and also the gutters, I didn't know this, but they had those gutter guards in there, the plastic ones with the small little squares. Luckily the customer we spoke to them said we can take them out, so we gladly took all them out, so that all added to the job. So it's a good job, it was a family effort. But it's all done anyway. All the gutters cleared, hoovered, the gutter guards removed and put in a pile so they can take them down the dump. And then obviously the fascia stops and gutters all cleaned as well, and on the 2 conservatories. So they're happy, we're all happy it's done. It's been a good hard day for us all as a family working, and everyone's been happy. So that's a cracking job done. I love these gutter days, but they are a bit pushed what we load onto them sometimes, I think, especially this time of year. But when that work comes in, it's good for us anyway to bung it into a day, get the days done, because it's a good amount of work, plus people want it all doing. And these jobs will probably start coming in as well in the lead up through towards Christmas. So it's good to get a day's worth, get it out of the way. Anyway, that's us done. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and stay safe.